Hey, if you are English learner, then this video for you. And now I'd like to say a secret that's gonna help you a lot if you want to like store new vocabulary, if you want to learn new vocabulary, and I will tell you what's the secret that I followed, and the secret, like I can say, the method helped me a lot. So I can say, first of all, if you want to learn new vocabulary and a smart word, and if you want to be more smart speaking, then you have to read a lot. So how, if you can, guys, you can say that I am not that much lover of reading. So how, what should I do? I can say here, like, try to find out your post, like you can say your interestable article. It can be short story and that you used to do in your life, and that is keep in your brain. That's that, like, about this matter you're really interested. So you can like select this topic. That's gonna help you a lot. Suppose, if you like to like short stories, or classic story, or about your hobby, or what type of hobby you have, if you want to know more, then you can search on Google or ChatGPT, which is so beneficial at this time. So you can search on Google. That's gonna help you a lot to like I can say that gonna help you to get interested about this topic. And whenever you will read this article, that will help you to storehouse the vocabulary, and your interest will grow up, and this way you'll be able to talk, you will be able to learn. And I prefer to learn vocabulary from context, not specific vocabulary. Though if you need any specific vocabulary, you can get help from any dictionary. But I can say, this is the like crucial thing that everyone should do. Like, whenever we will learn any vocabulary from context, then we can easily apply the vocabulary while we are talking. But on the other hand, I can say, like, if you learn any vocabulary from any dictionary or anywhere, like specifically, then in the meantime, when you not talk at the time, you will never find out the right word. So this problem I also faced. Like, I have learned so many vocabulary specifically, but I cannot apply while I'm talking. So but how I can still talk? But so which thing helped me a lot, that I am sharing right now, that you can read some article that gonna help you a lot. And through this article you can gain your like knowledge as well, like, that gonna help you to read more and more. If you read more, this is the main secret of speaking. Through this like article, and you able to know the sentence structure, how the sentence how would be sentence structures, and how you should apply through your conversations. So everything you will be able to know whenever you will follow the context, or any, I can say, the article. So this is so crucial thing you have to do, and I used to do. Nowadays, though, I am quite lazy, so that's the reason I cannot shine. But so I used to do, when I was started, like I can say, I was started learning. So at that point I did a lot. So I can say, guys, if you want to learn, and if you wanna like able to talk, and then must you have to do this. Except it, you cannot expand your vocabulary store. So this is the secret that I wanted to share. I already share you guys. And keep learning, never fluctuate from your path. Keep learning, and happy learning, and I love this.